Hello, this is Hiro here. Today I'm gonna show you in Japan a crane company. It's called Horio Bussan in Aichi Prefecture. You can see over there. It's 24 hours towing crane and wreckers, which is pulling the trucks like sort of highway patrol for the emergency towing. This one got 20-tonner crane at the back. So, of course, has got outriggers here at the back and front. Then also got front out jack too. See here, front out jack. That one. OC 200 MW. Sometimes accident or on the wet road down the hill, we can pick it up. The 20-tonner hook, so pretty strong. Radius 12 meter to 2.6. They have got a new machine from States. This one is orange one. From the front, it looks just normal trucks, but it's got two box here. Like, the secure the trucks or cars. This is a attachment in here. Like control for the boom or winch. This one says under lift, up and down like a boom. This one is not on the top the boom, bottom boom. This one for the is like outriggers. And this one the winch. This one the winch for the right hand side. This one for the passenger side. Emergency stops. And they open the other side is same. Then some tools and timbers and attachment and some rigging gear. The diesel and a blue 2 months ago arrived. Let me drive this, so I push down this one here and come this like this. So it's everything moving from the hydraulic. This one is come to like the arm underneath the trucks, then pick it up. The winch line pull is 5-tonner each. He told me this winch is used for the when bogged in on the mud, hook on the truck, then pulling out, or sometimes car or truck rolled over that used for the winch for the pull it back. And this one mainly use this one for the arm put on underneath of the truck, then secure with the chain blocks, then bring to the service or mechanic. And this company is over 50 years. All the cranes is parked on the undercover, so pretty rare. Especially in Japan, not many room, not many company like this. So I'm very impressed. Look at this, 100-tonner is over 1 year, but looks brand new. This 100-tonner has got old grease and another camera at here, which is just behind the driver cab. For the counterweight for the 100-ton. Oh, looks cute. 56 meter radius and 400. And they have also 30-ton, the small one, 30 in city. That is a 25-ton Rafi. Actually, in Japan, this size of crane is most popular.